Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a Zoom recording. If you need to clean up old meeting files or remove a recording you no longer want stored in your Zoom account, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. To begin, open Zoom in your web browser and go to the home page. This is where you can access your account settings, meetings, files, and other account-related options. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct Zoom account, especially if you manage more than one. From the home area, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Recordings. This section contains the recordings saved to your account and is where Zoom organizes both cloud and local recording-related items, depending on what's available in your setup. After selecting recordings, the main panel will update to show your saved content. Next, look through the list and find the recording you want to remove. In this example, you'll be looking for a recording labeled Sample Recorded. If you have many recordings saved, it may help to scan carefully by title and make sure you've selected the correct one before moving forward. This is important because deleting a recording is something you'll want to do intentionally. Once you've found it, click on Sample Recording to open the recording details. This page gives you access to options related to that specific file. Opening the recording first helps confirm that you are working with the right item and not deleting something by mistake. After the recording details are open, click on Delete. This tells Zoom that you want to remove the selected recording from your account. Before you do this, it's a good idea to pause for a second and double check that this is truly the recording you no longer need. Zoom will then ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm deletion to complete the process. This final confirmation is there to help prevent accidental removal, so once you approve it, the recording will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Zoom recording. If you're managing multiple recordings, you can repeat the same process for any others you want to delete. Taking a few moments to review recordings regularly can help keep your account organized and make it easier to find the files you actually need.